Welcome to Debug Lab. In this video, we will see about encapsulation in object-oriented programming. It is a part of previous video of OOPS. So let's begin the topic. So in this video, we will see the basics. So encapsulation is the fundamental principle of object-oriented programming. So it is like a terminology where we will see that how it works. So in encapsulation, what happened? There are some attributes and functions. So these are places inside one single place called class. So it is like a capsule where both the things are placed inside one place. So it is like that. So next is about what is the key concept of encapsulation. Why encapsulation? We can access its method and properties. Access method like some like we can assign something to public, protected, private. Public is basically what it is like it can be accessed by the object outside the class, and in protected, it can be accessed through the uh, derived class and inside the class. Same private is like it is can be accessed only in that class. So we can see the methods where how it will works in some minutes. So like we have some getter and setter method. Getter is like we can retrieve the values, and the setter is we can set the values. So we will see in upcoming minutes. So benefits is like it is very control access, very easy to maintain. Data integrity means we have controlled access, and it is very easy to make it utilize. So it is similar to real world analogy. We will see in some next minute. So it is like encapsulation is like a very uh, re- useful technique where code is reusable, reliable, maintainable, and integrity. So let's begin in the coding part. So here I have already created one class. The name of class is bank account, and there has some private uh, variables like balance. It is private, so it can be accessed only inside this class. And here the constructor is initialized, so the balance is set by the constructor. Next is getting the balance. So getting the balance, we have named it public. So public means we can call it from outside the class, and by making its object. So it is like getting the balance. Next is of setting the balance. Same is I have written some code here like how we are utilizing it in our code. So this is some dummy code, uh, and it is also a public method. So getter and setter can be called from the called outside the class by making object. Next is of uh, public function, that is of withdrawal. So I have written some code here to manipulate the things. So how it will work? Some simply we will create one object by the class name, like it is a bank account, and uh, we have made its object and initialized one um, variable here balance. So initial balance, it will go in initial balance, and the balance will come now 100. And in next minute we will deposit in amount 50. So when we type the balance after this signing deposit method, and it will sum up the amount, so it will return us 100 plus 50, that is of 150. Same is of when we withdraw, and after withdrawal it reduce the amount and will return 120.